No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. This road's private.
No, it's not. This is West Lewis Street.
Yeah, it's a private road.
Sure.
I'm gonna call the cops.
All right, man. Dang, he went to Darren mode quick. What are you gonna call the cops for? Keep your distance, man. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. I'm telling you, get out of my face, man. You want mace? Is that what you want?
You get off this property.
No, I'm not on your property.
Get off this property. This is a private road.
So there's been a bunch of comments. There was even news articles. The DA itself said something along the lines of people aren't allowed to go here. So let's take a look at West Lewis Street. It is in fact privately owned property. But does that mean that it's not publicly accessible? Absolutely not. The fact that there are multiple businesses accessed by this road and the fact that the businesses are open to the public means that this road is publicly accessible. Now, the owner of the property does have the right to trespass anyone for any reason, but this guy is not the owner. He was renting this property. And this guy is not the owner. He was renting that property. The actual owner of the street was not involved in this case at all. Furthermore, I was never charged with trespassing. And trust me, these cops would have thrown any applicable charge at me if they could. Need more proof? Just watch PLA's video, taken from the same location a few hours after my arrest. This guy comes out again, claiming the same thing again.
What is it? Where's the sign that says private road?
Private property on someone's house. You're on private property.
This is not. This is public.
He calls the cops again. They show up again.
Is this a private road? Is this a private road, officers? Yes or no? Is this a private road? Is this a private road? So I have access to go down there?
As far as I can tell, this is a Ventura Street sign. Without doing further research through the city, I can't say for sure that it's a private road. As far as where it ends, clearly their parking lot is private property. It's part of the private road.
But if I stay on this road, am I good?
As long as you don't go into their business or into their parking lot.
I don't plan on going anywhere. All right?
PLA goes back and continues to record.
What happened? I thought it's private. Get inside, crybaby. Shut up. Get some balls. The cops are gonna come and they're gonna get you. Watch.
And they leave without incident. I can't help but notice that after my visit, this guy made sure to keep his distance.
Yeah, stop encroaching me.
This is perfectly good distance.
Exactly, so keep it.
You're welcome.
This isn't a private road.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I will miss you, dude. Is that what you want? Get out of my space, dude. I'm telling you.
I'm not touching you.
Fucking Darren.
Don't touch me with that. Get that out. Get that out of here. Don't touch me with that.
Get out of my face, man.
No, I'm not gonna move. This is private property. Get the fuck out of here.
I'm
you
not out of here.
tchotchke.
Tchotchke? Look at this guy.
trespassing. 280 West Lewis Street. There's a man video recording my business, and the road is West Lewis Street. It's a private road. Hispanic. He's wearing a black Dickies shirt, blue jeans, and Converse. Yeah, yep. No, sunglasses. I'd rather not say. I know, but he's right here and I don't want to say. Yeah. Yeah. He's holding up a mace to my face.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I have it on video. Yeah. Well, it's Stoneworks. That's not my business, but that's the business right across from me. Yeah, he has a mace out and he's holding it with his thumb on the trigger. Okay, thanks.
Get out of my face, man. Get out of my face. I told you to get out of my face.
I wasn't touching you, asshole.
Doesn't matter, you're in my personal space. I felt threatened.
Bullshit, you've been standing there for 20 minutes.
I felt threatened. If you want more, get closer. There's the first Darren.
I saw the whole thing.
He's maced me, dude.
I saw the whole thing.
Good, good, I got witnesses.
I saw the whole thing. Alright, how's it going?
This guy just maced me.
Just maced you? Alright. You okay?
Yeah.
You're not doing okay. You want me to call medical for you? No? Okay.
111-1055, supervisor 1198.
Gotcha.
AMR.
So you just got maced. You're the one who did the macing? Alright. Hey, buddy. You right here. Do you mind coming over here with me? Go ahead. Take a seat.
I thought
Okay. What happened?
This guy wouldn't leave me alone. He kept getting in my face, putting his phone in my face, following me, tried walking away. I told him, leave me alone, get out of my personal space, more than 10 times. And he just would not leave me alone as I was leaving, so I had to mace him. I was feeling threatened.
Okay. Do you work around here?
No, I was checking everything out. This guy saw it all too.
So, like, you were walking around and checking stuff out, and he just came out?
Came out and said, this is what you're doing is illegal, it's a private road, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, we'll talk to you in a second. Okay. And where'd he come out of? Here?
Right over there, he was in that van with the open door.
So when he came at you, how close was he to you?
In my face, he touched my camera multiple times.
Okay.
Is
it on?
He had his camera just like this, right in my face, trying to like.
Okay.
And then I tried backing up, and he just kept following me, putting his phone.
Is it on and
Yeah,
running?
yeah.
Can we review the video? There was one guy over here.
If you have a phone on you, you can get your phone out. I'll give you the.
But is it gonna be able? We'll be able to
You
review
can rewind
what
it.
happened before?
Yes, you can rewind the whole thing.
Okay.
How you doing?
What's going on, man?
Can I get your name, sir?
That's
Right there.
What is it?
Ingram.
Ingram. They're surrounding me.
Hello, sir.
Hey,
How you doing? Hi,
I'm okay.
I'm Sergeant Marchetti, Ventura PD. How you doing?
I'm okay.
Okay. Just so you know, right now, the officers have tried to get your information. It sounds like
Yeah.
we haven't got that yet. That is what it is. You have what looks like some nice camera stuff.
Yes.
Okay. I've seen one side of the video. I don't know if you've shown the other side of the video.
I'm trying to give them the info.
Okay.
This is live, so I can't rewind it. Or...
That's fine. What I'm going to ask you to do is hand the camera to one of these officers. I'm telling you right now, you're under arrest.
Okay.
I can hold it.
Give to him.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anything else on you that's sensitive camera equipment, something you don't want broken, anything like that?
Right hand on top of your head, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Spread your feet.
The GoPro, I'm assuming.
All right, take a step backwards for me.
Well,
Two. Thank
Okay.
you. All right.
You don't turn it off, man. That's illegal. That's tampering with evidence.
There you go.
Thank you.
I don't know. I'm closing every page.
I'll fix these cuffs for you. See what we can do, okay?
You guys turning off my cameras.
Yes, and ours are on.
Do you have a first name?
That one looks
Quick. Search anything on you that's gonna poke, stick, or prick me.
okay.
Any weapons on you? Anything I should know about?
Are you gonna remain silent? I'm gonna request it.
Perfect. What is this that I'm viewing in this pocket right here? Alright, here's what we're gonna do. You see that car? That says 265 on it, sir? We're gonna go walk over there, alright?
Do you have a vehicle that needs to be secured?
You remain silent.
Alright, we're gonna go right there to the front bumper. Stand right there in front of me, or in front of it for me. Off to the side right in front of these numbers. Thank you, sir. Alright, go ahead, spread your feet again. Spread your feet. Now go ahead, face up. Yeah, there we go, perfect. Just like that.
I don't want that to fall.
I'm gonna help you take off this GoPro.
Okay.
I'm just gonna remove these two. How does it mount? Is it like a full